Welcome back to Real JeRi. Today we're diving into a groundbreaking development that could reshape Ghana's agricultural and industrial landscape, the Dangote Sugar Project. Spearheaded by Aliko Dangote, Africa's wealthiest businessman, this ambitious initiative aims to transform Ghana's sugar industry and reduce the country's hefty $162 million annual sugar import bill. But this project is much more than just a refinery. It's a bold step toward industrial self-reliance, rural development, and agro-industrial transformation. Let's explore what makes the Dangote Sugar Project a potential game-changer for Ghana and West Africa. Aliko Dangote, Africa's richest businessman, is no stranger to large-scale sugar ventures. In his home country, Nigeria, Dangote Sugar Refinery plc has been leading a sugar revolution for over a decade. With a vision to achieve local self-sufficiency, Dangote's Nigerian sugar complex includes an integrated refinery and a massive 60,000-hectare sugarcane plantation. This $500 million project, located in Nasarawa State, boasts a crushing capacity of 12,000 tons of cane per day and produces roughly 30% of Nigeria's sugar consumption. Beyond sugar, the complex generates electricity from ethanol and supports local communities with infrastructure improvements like road networks spanning 500 kilometers. This backward integration strategy has propelled Nigeria toward reducing its dependence on sugar imports, creating thousands of jobs, and boosting its agro-industrial capacity. With this strong foundation of success in Nigeria, Dangote Group is now bringing its expertise and vision to Ghana. The project is centered in the Bono Region, near the town of Kwame-Danso, where Dangote Sugar Refinery plc plans to build a state-of-the-art sugar refinery with a crushing capacity of 12,000 tons of sugarcane per day. This facility will not only process sugar, but also produce valuable byproducts like molasses and ethanol, opening doors to other sectors such as animal feed and biofuels. But to feed such a massive refinery, a huge supply of sugarcane is essential. That's why the project includes the development of a sprawling 25,000-hectare sugarcane plantation, entirely irrigated, marking a major leap in Ghana's agricultural infrastructure. To put this scale into perspective, Ghana's current publicly managed irrigation schemes cover about 19,000 hectares, supporting mainly rice and vegetable farming. Dangote's project alone will add 25,000 hectares of new, formally irrigated farmland, more than doubling the country's existing irrigated land area. While Ghana has an estimated irrigation potential of around 1.9 million hectares, only about 12% is currently irrigated, mostly through informal or small-scale efforts. This project's irrigation infrastructure represents a significant upgrade in controlled water management for agriculture, which is crucial for productivity and climate resilience. Reducing Ghana's reliance on sugar imports is a key strategic goal. Currently, the country spends roughly $162 million annually importing sugar. By producing sugar locally on an industrial scale, the Dangote refinery aims to drastically cut this import bill, boosting food security and keeping money circulating within the national economy. This aligns perfectly with Ghana's flagship One District, One Factory initiative, designed to accelerate industrialization and create jobs across the country. Speaking of jobs, the Dangote Sugar Project is expected to generate thousands of employment opportunities spanning the entire value chain, from farming and cultivation on the plantation to processing, logistics, and distribution at the refinery. This could be a major boost for the Bono Region, which has traditionally been underserved by industrial investment. The project promises to stimulate rural development, improve livelihoods, and foster economic growth. The refinery's production won't stop at sugar. The facility plans to process molasses and ethanol as well, creating additional revenue streams and supporting sectors like biofuels and animal feed. This diversification adds resilience to the project and maximizes the value extracted from sugarcane. The project is already moving forward rapidly. All necessary permits have been secured, and land acquisition has been finalized. While infrastructure challenges remain, such as improving roads to transport cane and finished products, the groundwork is laid for a transformative industrial venture. Aliko Dangote and his group view this not just as a factory, but as a catalyst for self-sufficiency, employment, and continental transformation. The Dangote Sugar Project could become a flagship example of Africa's capacity to harness its natural resources and human potential to build sustainable agro-industrial economies from within. By significantly expanding Ghana's irrigated farmland and establishing a major processing facility, this project holds immense promise for reducing import dependence and cultivating prosperity on home soil. It's a bold step toward Ghana's industrial future, and a shining example of how visionary entrepreneurship can drive Africa's development. Thanks for watching Real JeRi. If you found this deep dive insightful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more stories shaping Africa's future. What do you think about the Dangote Sugar Project? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.